10 interesting facts about social media. Social media is the combination of the online communication channels, which are fully applied to the community-based input, interaction, and content sharing. It is a future of communication, which allows people and companies to create or share information, ideas, pictures, videos, and many other things. 1. Social media improves results. Regarding the recent study, about 62% of the marketers from separate fields have reported a positive change in their marketing campaigns and efforts after they began to use social media as a foundation of many of their campaigns. 2. Job offers on LinkedIn. In actuality, one client joins with LinkedIn's expert system each minute of a day. The site is utilized by over 60% of the general population to look for employment, apply to work, or fabricate their expert systems. 3. Millions of photos on Instagram. As per another report, more than 1 billion photographs were transferred to Instagram in the year 2012 alone. Not just that, a standard 300 million photos are moved to this stage regularly, making it a sound stage for picture takers, pros and from authorities. 4. Small and medium businesses getting benefited. Small and medium-sized businesses have started using various social media platforms to raise their business income, extend their promoting endeavors, and find out about their clients. Around 34% of medium organizations are now utilizing web-based social networking as a showcasing apparatus, though roughly 27% of independent companies were participating, and increasing, at the time of the study. 5. Mobiles makes it more happening. Around 161 million minutes a month are spent on portable online networking applications around the globe. Indeed, according to Gossip, individuals have more cell phones than toothbrushes. 6. Deals on social media. We as a whole love an unusual arrangement, and online networking happens to be a perfect place to discover them. A current research uncovered that over 67% of Facebook clients liked an organization's page just to get a coupon offering 25% off. 7. Games to earn money. More often than not, you don't anticipate that great pictures will manifest in your brain if you hear some person taking an interest in online networking amusement. Nonetheless, a current review uncovered that over 79% of individuals who take an interest in web-based social networking diversions have a professional education, or better, and 44% of them earn more than $50,000 a year. On top of that, the greater part of the players are more than 40 years of age, and just about 30% of them are married and have kids. 8. Twitter. Almost 1 million Twitter accounts are created, and 340 million tweets are posted daily. Using Twitter can be a very useful and helpful asset to most companies. 9. Social media usage differences. It has been accounted for that ladies, for the most part, utilize Pinterest while men, for the most part, utilize Google+. Pinterest is another energizing social platform which you can use to share your thoughts through pictures. While with Google+, you have more alternatives for sharing your contemplations, for example, pictures, recordings, and articles, and over a larger base of individuals. 10. Facebook remains unsurpassed. Regularly, there are intervals spent online utilized to surf, remark, present offers, like pictures, gift or donate presents, and record video and audio presentations live and transferred onto Facebook. In fact, you can triple the traffic to your website overnight if you can identify your audience on Facebook and post things they are interested in. These were just 10 interesting facts about social media that you should know and use to your advantage. There are many other facts like this that you can discover and share at the Work at Home Academy. Do stop by the workathomeacademy.us to share with us if you have come across any. Come join the Work at Home Academy and incorporate your knowledge with new ideas to propel yourself into the success and opportunity you really desire. For more information, stop by the workathomeacademy.us. The Work at Home Academy.us.